What's up mga migs, mga pamilya, mga migs, mga pamilya, mga
What's up mga
What's up mga Angkels? It's a wonderful day. Humana ang premiere sa Gahi Inibay. Gikan ko sa home radio pero nakita mi syempre ang mga gwapo nga sana all kayo. Natagda ni karon kauban si AngkelsTV.
So, what's up mga Angkels? Yoo!
Paki-subscribe mo sa iya ha.
Subscribe mo sa akong channel sa AngkelsTV. 500 na ko, tunga na lang.
Tunga na lang, maka-monetize sa gidayon. Palayog ko hangyo, may hangyo be kanang mga taga Master Poppy YouTube be, palayog ko. Punta kayo there sa Uy! Sorry kayo, kung may karon kanang English only vlog.
Wow! Why? No, it's timing. No, I have 128 MB left in my English memory.
It's a wonderful Monday morning and we're about to make this is called the Project Gaming PC vlog. We're gonna make a gaming PC. I have a budget for only 100,000. And we're gonna dug in out sometimes, but we really need a PC that is conducive for my needs as a gamer, as a live streamer, and as a vlogger also. Angkels will help me. Shout out to ABFQW for this financial support. This is the quit claim that I'm gonna invest. So we need to invest in a good PC so that it will last forever, like 5 years or so. Then we will upgrade after 5 years. That's it.
Tinan traman sir. Tinan. Ano ko pwede mo palit mo na? Pwede na ba? Pwede na. Kaya parking here.
Parking here, huh?
Thank you.
Right. We're here at
I don't know what's the address, but I think it's Chano J.R. Borja.
Chano J.R. Borja at the
We
Marble.
are here at Marble Computer Center.
Yeah.
Shout out sa iyo, Ma'am Rovelyn. Because you know we
We're gonna go inside. Let's do this. Hey, what's up? We're here. Hi. You have I need a partner. Gaming PC there. I'm sorry. What is We're here at Marble, and I'm starring. I'm sikat here because I am the CCTV. This is CCTV. You know. What did you yo? What did you yo? Come on.
I told you earlier that my memory is 120 MB left.
So you're struggling.
Yeah.
You have tissue there for your nosebleed.
Original price sir, 35,000.
Sabi ka na. Wala. Pwede hanapin nyo na si Ma'am Rovelyn.
I'm not an expert in this kind of aspect of the basta. AngkelsTV has the credentials to undergo. What no?
We have also one MSI
ATX naman
portal
mo.
Wi-Fi. Yes, full this one sir.
So, what do you mean by like
This one.
the 550?
White build, white color.
What is nice? What do you mean by 550?
White build.
What do you mean by 550? It's just a model. B550.
Oh,
It's just a model name. Why is this another sa tawag ni brand?
Bigger brand.
Why is it another brand
So,
the same?
They can match.
2,700.
What's the brand?
May monitor.
Wala. Si monitor sa mga Poppy. Pero rated na PS2. Pila total. Sabay ganun. Pila. We would like to thank Marvel Computer Center. Ma'am Robilin, big shout out to you for giving us a big discounts.
4,000 na lang. 48,500.
There's a libre. Ano naman yun? There's a libre. Once again, shout out to Marvel and to all the staff and to all the single ladies.
Hello?
There, single lady.
May target niya, di naman ng PC parts.
Dili man ng PC actually. So, from Marvel, we're going to another place so that we can find the rest of the parts of the PC.
Yeah.
Or, we're gonna get back to Marvel if we do not find it. Okay?
Sinag ng araw, yan ay ikaw. Liwanag na bubuhay, kulay sa dilim. Yaning may tuturing, yan ang iyong galing. Sandata mo ang iyong tapang, sa gisag ng bayan. Ang imbabawi, nakalaan sa'yo. Halina lumipad, palayain ang sarili mo. Ikampay na ang iyong mga kapan. Lumipad, lumabay sa kupit ang lawak. Isang puwersang walang takot na harap. Na kahit anong humarang, panganib di susukuan. Magkakamit natin ang tagumpay.
Nice. Kada pa ang vlog. At the ways. Snack muna tayo mga Kels.
Oh, it's time for snack. Thank you so much, AngkelsTV. Like 5 hours. For the sweat, the effort, the skills. If you want to have a bigger discount and enjoyable PC building, just contact AngkelsTV. Visit his YouTube channel. Visit AngkelsTV. Don't forget Facebook, AngkelsTV also.
Yeah, AngkelsTV.
You can message him there and ask for inquiries if you want this budget, kind of budget.
Yeah, it's been
Mid gaming, my setup, no?
Yeah.
High end, how much?
High-end cost you around 100 plus.
100 plus to 300 plus.
That's kind of build, it's very solid.
Yeah.
For streaming, for multitasking PC, you can edit. Same time you can use for gaming and streaming also.
So any advice to new gamers, I mean new PC builders?
If you want to build PC, just contact me. I'm not PC expert, but I know just know.
But you are Komsayan, so
Yeah, Comsci graduate.
Kansai graduate, so he is better than me. That is why I don't alig-alig. AngkelsTV is ready to help you. Would like to shout out Marvel Computer
Center.
Center.
Shout out to Ma'am Robilin and some ibang staff, other staff. They give a big discount for us.
Yes, but because of you.
Yeah.
So that is why I recommend him. So that you can have bigger discounts, maybe bigger than me or bigger than mine.
Kahinibay! Kahi sa balita, kahi sa kalingawan.
Angkels will leave us for a while. I will try the PC.
Yeah.
And we will see if we can boom shakalaka. I don't need a girlfriend first, huh? No girlfriend because I'm busy on my computer, okay?
Nagka